Hello everyone, welcome to our lesson on subject pronouns in English. Today we will learn how to use words like I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. Let's get started. Subject pronouns are words we use to talk about people, animals or things without saying their names over and over. For example, instead of saying, Maria is a teacher, Maria loves books, we can say, Maria is a teacher. She loves books. Here are the 7 subject pronouns in English. I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. We use these words to talk about people, animals, and things. I means the person who is speaking. For example, I am a teacher. You means the person you are talking to. For example, you are a student. He is used for a man or a boy, like he is my brother. She is used for a woman or a girl, like she is my sister. It is used for things or animals in singular forms, like it is a dog. We means you and other people, like we are friends. They is used for other people or things, like they are happy. Read each sentence aloud with clear pronunciation and expression. Now it's your turn. Fill in the blanks with the correct subject pronoun. Is it he, she, they, or another word? Pause the video if you need more time. Well done. Did you get them all right? If not, don't worry. Just keep practicing. To remember these pronouns, try using them in your everyday conversations. Say sentences like, I am going to the park, or they are my friends. The more you use them, the easier it gets. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more English lessons. See you next time.